One of the prayer requests that we pray and we would love to see in Egypt, that the people we helped with projects, not just, they are able to help themselves and reach a good income, but they can also help others. There are people we meet. We would love to be finding them a safe environment that they can work in. So one of the things that will encourage us very much, and we pray for it, is that the projects that are existing, we enter into it also other people and other persecuted ones who are working.
There are laws that provide freedom for people to change their religion or their faith and to change official papers, so they can live in freedom to worship Jesus and go to church like any other Christian in his nation. He doesn't need to feel fear, persecution, and pain all the time, as much as he needs to live as a believer, as a Christian with his new identity, without restrictions from security and family, and to have the resources to help him live this life